Up till now, we have studied regarding inverse circular function in different criteria, different set of formulae we have already studied. Today, we have to frame simplified form of the expression given in inverse. We consider first of all, I am writing here form in irrational substitution. In general, what must be substituted? These are in first stage. I will describe irrational forms. Suppose form is a square minus x square. Advisable, x is equal to a sin theta. So that it may be rational, as you might be observing. Similarly, a square plus x square, you may put x equal to a tan theta. X square minus a square, we may substitute a is equal to x is equal to a sec theta. Now, we may consider the other trigonometrical ratio pairwise. That is, for a sin theta, we may consider a cos theta. Either of the two, a cot theta, a cosec theta. That is covalent. इसमें को include हुआ. Generally, in first stage, which appear p substitute. Now, if we are having there x plus minus, first of all, a plus minus x. In both the cases, that means the expression contains a plus x as well as a minus x. In irrational form, we may substitute x is equal to a cos 2 theta only. Remember, only x is equal to a cos 2 theta. I have to consider some examples on these bases. In general, in place of a, we find one unity. In that case, understood, that is understood, x is equal to sin theta instead of a sin theta sometimes, and tan theta or sec theta, whatever it may be. Now, consider the example tan inverse under root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. I am considering that there is plus minus x as well as plus x. I have written the formula or substitution on 4 stage, that is x is equal to a cos 2 theta only. Here we may put x is equal to cos 2 theta only. So what we get? Tan inverse 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta, which gives you tan inverse tan theta. You might be knowing the formula in 11th class. That is equal to theta. That is quite simple. Now, we have put x is equal to cos 2 theta. That implies 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x, and theta is equal to half cos inverse x. That is quite simple. We try to get inverse of that trigonometrical ratio. Suppose the inverse is given in cot inverse form. Cot inverse, that means the expression must be cot inverse cot. Sometimes it is not necessary. If we get tan inverse cot theta, what we get, we may convert tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. That is quite simple. That is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Here, one thing must be noted, that this angle must be lying within principal value. Now, I am considering another example. Sine inverse x under 2x under root 1 minus x square. Obviously, here irrational form is under root 1 minus x square. We may put x is equal to sine theta. So that what we get is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta under root 1 minus sine square theta. After simplification, we are getting 2 sine theta cos theta, and that is sine inverse sine 2 theta, that is 2 theta. Here, when we substitute x is equal to sine theta, it is obvious that theta is equal to sine inverse x. Remember that theta must lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In that case, that will be 2 sine inverse x. Otherwise, we have to keep within the principal values. I am taking another example. Sine inverse what we have to substitute? What are the guidelines? According to guidelines, we may substitute x is equal to cos 2 theta, as I have already described, as there is plus x or minus x in square root. That is equal to sine inverse under 1 minus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. What are we getting? Sine inverse, that is 2 sine square theta plus that is 2 cos square theta divided by 2. That is equal to sine inverse sine theta plus cos theta divided by root 2, which gives sine inverse 1 by root 2 sine theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta, which gives sine inverse sin theta cos pi by 4 plus cos theta sin pi by 4. However, 1 by root 2 can be written either of sin pi by 4 or cos. We have to put accordingly so that we may get sine formula, for which we are getting sine inverse sin theta plus pi by 4, so that we may get theta plus pi by 4. And in this case, we are getting that by putting the value from here, we get 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x, and theta is equal to half cos inverse x. That is equal to half cos inverse x plus pi by 4. That's all. That is the most simplified value. Now, we take another example. Tan inverse x plus under 1 plus x square. What we get? What is the substitution? Here, according to Knox, x must be tan theta, as it is equivalent to under root a square plus x square is 1. That is equal to, if we can get simplified, then tan theta plus under root 1 plus tan square theta. What we get? Tan inverse tan theta plus sec theta. That is equal to, if we convert sin theta and cos theta, what we get? 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now, we may be having some trouble to convert into sin, but there is not too difficult to get it. There are two ways to solve it. First of all, first method is we have to convert into tan form. How would we? So, convert this into half angle formula. We are getting cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. Cos theta is equivalent to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Now, after cancellation, one factor, we are getting cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. What we get? We have to convert into tan. How will we get? By dividing cos theta by 2 in numerator as well as denominator. Tan inverse 1 plus tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan theta by 2. Not this point. That is equivalent to tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. That is equal to pi by 4 plus theta by 2. And again, we are getting that is equal to pi by 4 plus half tan inverse x from our side. How did you get this expression into this? That is not too much difficult. That is quite simple. You might keep in your thumbs. Otherwise, you may get it by simplification. 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. You may write tan pi by 4, that is 1 is equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan theta upon 1. You have to keep 1 as it is, minus 1 into, that is tan pi by 4 into tan theta. We are getting tan theta plus pi by 4 by using tan plus p. Is it clear? Now, similarly, we may get one minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta. You must have all your tips. Now, we take another example. Sine inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now, this is not rational, irrational, I would call it. So, for irrational quantities, what are substitutions? I am using for 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Put x is equal to tan theta. 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, you may write x is equal to even 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, or 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square. You may put in all the cases x is equal to tan theta. These are rules, these are guidelines only. These are not rules. There is a difference between rules and guidelines. So here we may get x is equal to tan theta. Putting x is equal to tan theta, so that theta is equal to tan inverse x, we are getting sine inverse 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. You are having the formula sine inverse cos 2 theta. Here sine inverse, here is cos. How will you convert? It is quite simple. Using sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta. And we are getting pi by 2 minus 2 theta. That is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse. These were some examples.